Whoa.
Whoa. Everyone.
Hear the music?
You seen any?
Yeah. Hear the music, Mike?
It's funny. Whoa! Oh, look at all the smoke. Oh. Ooh, over there.
Better is over here, Mike.
The 3rd of July.
That purple is pretty.
Oh, looks like it's coming closer.
I love the purple color.
Ooh, it turned green. Sometimes they turn yellow and turn a different color. This is surely giving my headache.
You got rid of your headache?
Mm-hmm.
Little one, that one I like right there. That one right there. Bam.
Ah.
And that bright white one. Bam. Bam. Beautiful. Oh, there comes 2. Good. 3. Oh, that's nice.
Ow.
Look at that one, Micah. Right there, right there, right there. Stop.
Whoa.
Go. Go.
I saw a green heart.
Those are good. Look at, there's 2. 1, 2, 1, 3. Yeah.
Which one is the biggest firework?
It looks at the end. At the end, they have this tremendous firework. Look at those. There it is. That's descending.
Dad, how do people get fireworks to say words or pictures?
Yeah.
What?
Whoa.
I love those. I love
Is
those.
that a big one or what?
Wow.
That looks big.
Yeah.
That one looks like an F.
Perfect circle coming down. Yeah. Look at that one, Mike. Whoa. There you go. 2, 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that's a good one. Some good ones are coming.
All of them are good. That one's good.
No, there it is, Mike. No. Whoa, that's a good one. That's a pretty one.
Where do they fall?
Yeah.
That red one was beautiful, wasn't it?
Look at that orange dust falling down.
Oh, that is cool.
Mom, look at that orange dust falling down.
Look. Ooh, that's a beautiful purple. Yeah, that one's cool.
Micah.
Get away from the street, Mike. Oh, beautiful. A willow tree, huh? Yeah. Whoa, that one is cool. Here comes another one. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at
Ooh,
that.
I like that one. It's in the shape of mushrooms.
Whoa. That's how they think. Whoa.
Yeah. If you use it already, he gives you another one.
Oh. Right here.
Yeah. 2 hours.
Want me to show you it tomorrow?
Yeah. Cool. Alright, I'm winning. Damn. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, there you go.
Whoa.
Give me some.
Micah, would you please stand right there and walk out the street? Look at that, that one. Gotta be a clap.
Whoa. Is that the last one?
No.
Wait, no. The biggest go the highest.
Do you hear the kids behind us?
Yeah.
Hey, you stop moving around, I'll drop you on the way.
Yeah.
These aren't fireworks. That's not the important part. Watch it in the sun. Look up.
There you go.
Hey. No, you get over here. Stay right there.
That's gotta be finale.
Oh, man.
That's pretty cool, though.
There's more.
Is that it?
Nope.
Nope.
Machine over here.
You can go ahead and go. Go ahead. Go ahead. Look at all those people leaving and they didn't